So at only 6 acres, Hyner View State Park is not much bigger than Upper Pine Bottom State Park, just 1 acre bigger, but you get the payoff here with the view. So a couple of monuments here at the top, one for CCC workers. They have one of these style statues at the Pennsylvania Grand Canyon, Leonard Harrison State Park. For some reason, my wife was kind of feeling the artwork, I guess, a little bit, literally. When we saw that one, and this guy clearly works out as well. This monument is for the state's forest fire wardens, erected in 1965. There's a large monolith with a plaque reading 1915 to 1965, dedicated to the forest fire wardens of Pennsylvania in recognition of their faithful service to the Commonwealth during the past 50 years. There is a low wall in the shape of the keystone, and on each side are 10 stones, one for each of the 20 state forests in Pennsylvania, and these stones were actually taken from each forest and brought here to be part of the monument. Alright, so the focal point here at Hyner View State Park is this Overlook wall, constructed during the 30s by the CCC. So the Overlook here is at an elevation of 1,940 feet above sea level. The west branch of the Susquehanna River here is at an elevation of 640 feet. So the Overlook here is 1,300 feet above the river. Absolutely impressive. One of the tallest overlooks that I've been to here. There's, you know, I love the Pinnacle and Flat Rock and everything, but I'll tell you what, the prominence of this lookout is up there. 1,300 feet. So the Overlook faces west, so we're looking north, and walking towards the south here you can see through the whole valley. And just follow that west branch of the Susquehanna all the way down that way and east a bit towards Williamsport. It's amazing. What a view, and the colors. Again, it's cloudy, but there's a lot of yellow and orange out here. It's breezy. It is cold, man. It is. We hit the high already today. It's approaching 4 o'clock. The high that I saw today was 44, and it's starting to go down. Can't wait to camp. Going to be out here at Hyner Run State Park for camping tonight, which is, I think, out in here somewhere. So this park also popular for hang gliding. Nobody crazy enough to be out here today, but here's your runway for hang gliding. My God, I bet that is spectacular. Yeah, so that is probably pretty awesome hang gliding off of here. So I'm coming down off Hyner View, and I had to pull over here on the switchbacks and just get this. You can see the wall where we just were up there with the flags flying. Pretty awesome. All right, so the campsite's coming together here at Hyner Run State Park. It's sprinkling a little bit here. We're supposed to have rain here in the 5 o'clock hour, and then it'll should clear up and have nothing else the rest of the night. But I've got the softball canopy out here, fire pits over there, got some wood, got some kindling, and just look at what's in my backyard. It is going to be wonderful sleeping to the sound of this water all night. Hyner Run going right through, got a little cascade right by my campsite. Beautiful here. Yeah, this is a great trip. I am absolutely loving this. So the Hyner Run Hyner Run State Park, the campground is the big feature. It's on 180 acres. We're here in Clinton County. Hyner View up that way was also in Clinton County. So that's our 4th county today, I think. 4th or 5th? 4th maybe. We are entirely surrounded here in this park by Sproul State Forest. Again, there's not a lot of camping spaces here. I think about 20. I see 2 RVs down the way. I've got like a 2-space cushion between me and the closest RV. Other than that, there's nobody on either side of me. There's nothing clipped to their posts here, so nobody's coming in tonight. I don't believe, which is awesome. Big plus about this campground, it is a state park campground that permits alcoholic beverages. So I confess I usually sneak them around, and but it's good that it's allowed here. That's awesome. Right up here, not too far away, I've got the bathrooms, changing room, swimming pool up there. Not that anybody needs it tonight. It was about 4 degrees colder up on Hyner View than it is down here. Regardless, it's quickly getting into the 30s right now. It was in the 30s up on Hyner View. So I'm gonna finish getting situated here. I think maybe the rain stopped. Take a look at the radar. So it's a beautiful fall day, certainly the time for a little apple cider mixed with a little apple pie moonshine. Cheers, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you like what we do here, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. It goes a long way towards making these trips possible. The 6 state park swing, you know, overnighter, you know, you got to pay for camping, got to pay for gas, all this kind of stuff. So your likes, your comments, your subscribes, everything helps get towards that goal. Thank you. Cheers. Couldn't do this without you. All right. Got a real good base for this fire. Hopefully these logs light up. There we go. A lot of good kindling, pine needles. There's an egg carton in there filled with dryer lint. All the tricks. All the tricks. Pocket bellows so clutch. Got some bourbon apple chicken sausages for tonight. Some pretzels. And some beers. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed Hyner View and Hyner Run State Parks. Thanks for coming along. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications. We've had some real good chatter in the comments lately. I love it. Keep it up. Tell a friend. We really want to form a whole like hiker doodad community here of people that just love the outdoors. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. I'm going to get out of here, see what I can find on the way home. Maybe make a video, and maybe you'll watch. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Don't take Pete's Run Road. Just don't. It is a bumpy one lane off the side of a mountain with ridiculous drop-offs. On the plus side, temperature dropped 5 degrees heading up this mountain, and the misty rain has turned into flurries. It's Wednesday, October 19th, and it's snowing. Just outside of Renovo, Pennsylvania, up on top of a mountain for some reason. Alright, so it's snowy, cloudy, foggy, but this is the Two Rock Run overlook. Not too impressive other than there's snow everywhere on October 19th.